Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. Nandito kami sa Mushrif Park. Ayan. Ang laki ng park. Ay, ikot natin ha. So, they were here in Mushrif Park. Right, Georjess? Mushrif Park. So first time namin, first time namin dito guys sa Mushrif Park.
It's a tree house, Mommy.
You can see a tree house.
Yeah.
So ang laki ng parking nila, ayan oh. Tapos may mga bike truck doon sa likod doon. Ang laki ng park. So
I want to white now.
not yet.
Hey, where's my dad?
Georgie and Daddy, mayroon silang different houses from different country. Ayan oh. That one is Norway house. So Georgie and Daddy go inside the Norway's house. Pasok tayo guys sa Norway house.
We're in the Norway house.
Oh wow.
This is right. Just go somewhere else where we go up here.
There's a fire.
Wow.
Go up here.
Okay, let's go next house. What's your step? Watch your head, Daddy.
Go up here. I just hope, Mommy. We should go
Sila.
upstairs.
Eddie and Georgie go up.
Daddy will help you. No, you have to do it, Georgie.
Because the door doesn't open, Georgie.
Yeah, ayan yung
The door, we can't go up there.
Yeah, because I think it's not safe.
So let's go to the England house.
Let's go to English house.
Mushroom house.
We don't have to. We're going to go to the England house.
So Norway house.
Oh no.
Next is
English.
English house. That's England.
We're going roundabout.
So mostly guys, mga tao dito magtambay sila for the whole day. May dala-dala silang unan, mga pagkain. Dito kasi maganda na yung weather sa Dubai. Cooler na siya. So that's the English house.
This is Daddy's house. It's an England house. It's a Daddy's house. Yeah. What's that one like inside?
So this is English house guys. Tingnan natin sa loob.
Hi, Doctor. Let me show it to Mommy.
What's inside? See?
Somebody's been up the top and broken things.
Talaga?
Vandals, yeah. Yeah. Don't touch the dirty cards.
They've got electric also, Daddy.
Yes, because
They just so
the
mushroom
park's open till 11 o'clock.
They just
Ah, I
So when
see.
it's dark, the lights are on.
Ah, cool.
mushroom house.
But look at this guys, because Daddy's tall, Daddy has to
Then
bend.
Mushroom house.
Okay, next is...
This way.
she wants to go to the mushroom house.
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
No, we might have to.
Come on here, come under the mushroom. Ah. Go, go, go. Bend, bend. Oops. Daddy, there's coffee shop there, oh. Coffee shop. They got swimming pools here. They've got restaurant. It says International Village. Wow! So, Daddy and Georgie.
난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
Ay, up to hold the copy, Daddy.
않는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에
I am ready. Now you can slide. You have to count 1, 2. Try again, try again. Don't rush, don't rush. Slow down, slow down. I am ready.
하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 난 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 안 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going
No, it's a mountain for her.
I'm going crazy.
Give me that. You can ride the. Run, 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 run.
I'm going crazy. Yeah, I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는
Okay. Okay, look at her, Daddy and Georgie. Take your photo.
오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니
Good throw. That was good. Quick, get a frisbee. Come on, bring it to Daddy. Wow, good throw. Oh! Right, run to Mummy, run to Mummy, run to Mummy. Aim over here. Good throw. Right, throw to Daddy. Throw to Daddy. Throw to Daddy. Whee! That's a good throw. Right, Mummy's turn. Ready? Wow, good throw. What?
Hi guys, lunchtime for Daddy, Georgie, and Mommy. So, Daddy will have a deluxe burger deluxe. Mommy have mushroom burger, then chips and drink.
Abis, 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 abis.
Oh yeah, mushroom.
You know what this is? That's this. They get lots of these tomatoes.
And it's the same, or what?
Yeah. This is tomato ketchup, and this is a tomato. So what
This
they
is
do
made by
you get lots of
tomato.
tomatoes, and they squidge them like Play-Doh, and it makes ketchup. Want to taste? Tastes like tomatoes, look. Tastes the same.
Alsa. There you go. Hinay-hinay lang. Yeah, hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay. Oo, make sure you hold tight. Oops, don't do that again. You go on the spring slide. You use the spring slide. You wanna try the other one? You have to hold.